Hi, my name is Jean-François Arel. Renovation is my passion. Here's how to create a look with the product Albatros from MURdesign. First of all, let's find the center of the wall. To ensure a good installation, draw a level vertical and horizontal line. To determine the best positioning, carry out various tests. Decide whether you are installing the panels vertically or horizontally. Albatros panels require a special arrangement. You will find a plan in the box. You will begin the installation from the top by first checking that your ceiling is straight. Using the horizontal level line, measure the distance from several places to the ceiling to determine the lowest part in case of your ceiling is uneven. Expect to have cut some panels so that they are properly aligned at the bottom. Use construction adhesive and finishing nails to fix the panels properly. The 24 by 48 inches format of these panels make them easy to install and move. With the 24 by 48 inches Albatros panels, we designed a shabby modern style.